let us understand first the difference between the concept of sex and gender. So, there is this concept of sex and then there is a concept of gender. What is a sex? It's a biological classification on the basis of sexual organs, है ना, sexual organs. You discriminate that whether a child which is born is a male or a female. This is a biological, and this is prevalent in human beings or in all species. All species. It's a natural thing. Okay? And this natural discrimination, biological discrimination, should it be removed? Of course, there is another. Transgenders plus. There are numerous variants also, though in rarity, but there are numerous variants. We will put it in one category, though it should not be ideally put in one category, because each one of them is very different with very different orientation and understanding, but for our educative purposes, for our understanding, we will put them in transgender. Now, this is something which is biological. Should it be changed? Naturally, should not be, because can you remove this difference? No. Is it an inequality? So, this is difference. Biologically, male and female are different, but this is not inequality. Even if it is inequality, it is in favor of women, because women can propagate. Women can propagate, and evolution wise or natural evolution wise, biological evolution wise, the individual who is able to propagate is the one who is most in control of the species. If today women say बच्चा पैदा नहीं करेंगे, human species will be. So, who controls it? Biologically, women, because they are giving birth, right? But the whole procedure of it creates problematic, because the whole pregnancy and giving birth, the whole thing actually also puts women in a vulnerable position physically. Physically, when they are pregnant, they will not be able to do hard work. When they are menstruating, they will not be able to do very hard work. After childbirth, because mother is the one who is feeding, will she be able to do hard work for longer time? So, physically, it also puts her in a vulnerable position. But whatever the differences, they are the differences, they are not exactly inequalities. Even though biologically there is an unequal burden of child rearing, but child rearing becomes a problem only when yes. So, till the time it is a tribe thing, it's fine. But the moment मतलब सोशियोलॉजिकल आ गया कॉन्सेप्ट, तो अब सोसाइटी को इधर ले आते हैं. जैसे ही सोसाइटी एंटर हुई, नोशंस किस में बदल गए? नाउ द नोशन इज masculinity or male, femininity, female, and of course transgenders here also same. But gender is a sociological concept. ये natural था, biological था, ये sociological concept है. Sociological concept means that now society puts criterias of being a male and being a female. Tell me, what does a criteria for a boy means? Huh? Short hair. Short hair. अच्छा, physical strength. Okay. Boys should not cry. मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, है ना? Should not cry. हाँ, next. चलो, he should be protective towards family members. Egoistic. Huh? Earning. Okay, we can say, what do you say, provider, है ना? Provider. Okay, what else? All outdoor works. दूध पानी चाय लड़का लेकर आएगा, ब्रेड लेकर आनी है, जाओ भाग के ले आओ. Okay, what else? A particular type of clothing, है ना? What else? Blue color? No? Blue color? Favorite cartoon Spider-Man? और कौन सा होता है? सुपरमैन. ओके, सुपरमैन. चलो, अच्छा, they cannot wear jewelries. So this has changed a lot of times. In ancient times, king used to wear earrings also and all the things, but now, right now it is considered not right for the boys to wear jewelry. Even though yet some people wear what? Cricket, football, physical sports. Yes, physical sports. ये लिख लो बेटा, ये सब लिखना है, भजन नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ पे. हाँ, beard. Okay, okay. They can keep their facial hair. They can keep their facial hair, right? They don't need to wax. Fine. Acha, always support girls and build monuments for girls. Okay, okay, okay. Rather, can we say that they are more free to express love and sexuality, है ना? Free to express their love and sexuality. Okay, decision makers. They are considered to be the decision makers in family and in society. We can say that more free to express their political, economic, social, spiritual, religious ideas. Simple, सारे ideas वो ज़्यादा खुल के बता सकते हैं. Okay.